November 2020. We have Särkiniementie 9 SA here in Lauttasaari. Halonnes. Lauttasaari runs Helsinki as far as Finland. This has 7 floors. Staircase B has the machine room to this one. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams and it was built in 1973. ValmetSchlieren, it's the original. Let's run it. Serial number is H3245 and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2021. It turned 45 years old in 2018. This is amazing. Hopefully the Särkiniementie B and C are calm now because we have to go to A first.
Yeah.
Just to avoid the people.
Press down. Inspected by Device and maintained by Schindler.
This doesn't start very smoothly, I noticed.
Yeah.
But it's still working fine. Just it could be maintained, maybe because of the Schindler's maintenance.
Yeah.
If it was Connie, maybe it would have been even better start.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
That's